Hello, crafty addicts. This is Hey Lori, and we are ready for another crafty unboxing video. So you remember the last video I did, which was the January 2021 Your Craft Studio unboxing. So I missed out on the February and March one. So this is the April 2021 monthly vintage subscription box. So Amanda is located in Vancouver, BC. This is her website, her email, Facebook, and Instagram. I will have all this information in the details below. So this is going to be a surprise for me as well as for you, because I have not even opened the box yet. So here we go. We're going to see what the theme of this one is. The last one seemed to have been movie related, theaters, movies. So let's see what we have here. So your guess is going to be as good as mine. So she has her little card, typewriter, write your own story. This could be interesting. Thank you for your purchase. Hope you enjoy your April collection. All right, and again, I love the paper. She always seems to have the coolest tissue paper for wrapping her packages in. Very nice. So here we go. There is usually a card in here that tells you everything that's in here. I'm not seeing that right now, so I might come across it as we go. Sorry for the crinkling. So we have some stickers that we would attach to the back of a block. So we've got the whole alphabet. We've got caps, we've got lowercase, then there's caps and lowercase in a different font, and some numbers. So that'll be cool for adding different words or letters, whatever, to your craft projects. And nice. And then what have we got here? So it looks like these are vellum stickers. So let's see. Deco Stickers, made in China. It says there are, does it say how many pieces? Usually it says 30. So right here it says that there's 30. Oops, sorry, glare. Not sure if that's focusing for you. All right, so let's open this up, take a peek at some of them. Don't have to do all of them. But here, oh, can you see that? So we've got some cute little, and I believe, yeah, they are stickers. So they're vellum. We've got flower pots, and what else? Mostly flowers. Flowers and letters and perfume bottles and bouquets and birdhouses with butterflies. So there's quite a selection there. Those are nice. Those will come in handy. Let's try and get those back into the package. Doesn't always work too well. Okay, so we have those. There is, oh my god, look how cute that is. That is a little typewriter. It is a little wooden typewriter. So she's definitely going for the vintage feel here. Oh my god, look how sweet that is. You know what? You could actually put a business card right on top of that and just have that sitting on a desk. So cute. All right, let's try Time Flies. What do we have in here? So it looks like there's 30 pieces. Let's just see. Oh, feels like vellum. So we have cinema, more movie related items, and ticket coupons, and other ones that you can write on. Admit one, party for a special event, and some blank ones that you can write on. So those are nice. Nice quality vellum. So we'll just set those aside. And then we have details du jour. So looks like another little receipt book, and they are perforated. I don't know if you can see the perforation there. So more items that you can collage with. So the bottom portion can tear off. You can do to and do, important date, whatever. Cool little package. And that one, like I said, I think there's 30 pages. Or was that the other one? Yeah, 74, 97. Not sure it says how many pages. But that'll be a nice addition. Okay, we have some washi. She always includes washi. So let's see what one we have here. It's typewriters. It's vintage typewriters. That is amazing. Let me see if I can get my nail under here. So you can see we have vintage typewriters. That is nice. I haven't seen that one before. And it's very sticky. So let's see if I can get this wrap back on. Good job. Nice pictures. Very good graphics. And then let's see what's in this one. Cling stamp. So, and it's got a picture of a typewriter. So I'm betting odds are it's a typewriter. And, oh, and it's a fairly decent sized one. Look at this. So it's another cling stamp you can add to your acrylic block and stamp a huge typewriter. And I like the fact that it's got this huge space, which is, you know, the piece of paper hanging out of the typewriter. But you could use that, sorry about the glare, you could use that to write on in a junk journal or, you know, journal page or even your bullet journal. That would be a cool little addition to one of your pages. Nice item. Very nice. Okay, what do we got here? This is cool. What is... Oh, it says wooden stamp. Oh, it's one of those really nice ones, I think, with the plants on it. And of course, I can't get it out. Oh. Is it a plant? Yeah, it is, kind of. Okay, so there's the picture. So it's going to be mostly black with the white etching of the images here. So it's kind of like a collage sort of thing. So you've got some a leaf and you've got some numbers and some scratches. But that's cool. That's very unique. I haven't seen one of those. Nice. All right, what else do we have? Keep Silence Mo Card Original Stickers. Okay, so it looks like, I think there's 60 in the pack. Let's see what these are all about. Oh, it's like a little matchbook slide out. And we have all kinds of stickers. These are stickers? Yes, they are stickers. So we've got different reading room for young people. We've got some blank ones with just some numbers on the bottom, just read, reading record, and then all kinds of nice little tags. This is nice. And words. So if you're doing clusters or if you're doing collages or, you know, you're setting up a page and you need to add something, you've got all of these cool little stickers to add to it. You can have just numbers, you can have some words, you can say it's the reading room, keep silence, and some blank ones that you could add your own words to. You could actually stamp with the alphabet cling stamp and put your own message on them. So that'll work too. Your books are calling you. I like that one. Okay, that is a neat little package of stickers that are going to come in very handy. All right, so I can already see we have some typewriter stickers. Now she's done these herself. Anything that you see in her boxes that are labeled Your Creative Studio, she is creating these herself. So I know she's getting these stamps done by someone, but they're labeled by her instead of, you know, made in China or whatever. So she's curating these packages based on, you know, some sort of a theme, and she is adding some of the items herself that she's designed or whatever. So these are really nice. What is this? Cute little package. Master Poseidon's Under the Sea Potions. Squid ink. So let's open this up. She always gets the coolest stuff. All right, what do we got? I think it's more stickers or labels. And sure enough, okay, so they're not stickers, but they are labels, paper pages. So we've got all kinds of different words, typewriter hand, different labels, and then they've got them in different colors as well. So they've got this beigey type page, not really cardstock, but it's definitely thicker than photocopy paper. And then we've got the brown one. Oh, look at this one with the butterfly. Rare are those who see there is flesh beneath the scars. I like that. Those are cool. And then a little rocking horse and more. This says swat the fly. Join the crusade against the deadly house fly, everybody. Swat the fly. Oh, from the library of. So it looks like a little book card, you know, when you sign out your library card. Anyways, some of these are perforated. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe. Some of these are perforated, so you could bend this off and tear it off, so you'd have a nice little torn edge. Oh, look at the tulips. Okay, so there's definitely some really cool ones in here, and then these ones have a different cutout. The frame is a little bit different. Sheep shearing. Oh, I might need to keep that one. Some perfume bottles and some more miscellaneous tags. There's the Master Poseidon's one, squid ink, tongue of dog. Okay, I'm not sure I want to drink that. Not going anywhere near that. I'm a dog lover. I am not drinking tongue of dog. All right. And even the package is cool. Like, you could definitely incorporate this into something or create your own. Oops. Of course. There. All right. Now we also have, oh, these are so pretty. So some pages, and these are sticker pages. So we've got dandelion tea recipes, and then there is a roses page, faded roses. Yeah, these are stickers. And this one's cool with some gold foil on it. New season trend. Brandon and Natalie, groom and bride. Oh, cool. It's like someone's, you know, an imaginary. Saturday the 20th of 2050 are getting married at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, church by the sea. That one's cute. And then here's another one with leaves and some more gold foil on it. And then this one is the sister to that, but it's on vellum. That one will not be a sticky, so you'll have to glue that on or tack it down somehow. But with the gold foil, it's really, really pretty. All right, so that looks like that's it for this package. A lot of nice goodies in here. So we've got sticker pages and vellum, lots of tags and labels, lots of items. The washi tape is excellent. Yeah, definitely lots of vellum in here. This has got to be the coolest little typewriter, little wooden typewriter, just to hold, you know, a business card or something. Excellent little stamps. You know, we've got the two different stamps, and then more vellum stickers with the flowers, and also the letters for the cling stamp letters, so you can make your own. So very nice package, well put together, very vintage, definitely vintage, and super cool. Lots of ideas I have brewing for stuff to put in my junk journal, as well as some items that I'm going to put into my bullet journal. So that's it for now. If you like this video, hit the like button. Feel free to share it and save it, and I will see you with the next one. Bye bye.